नमस्कार, आपका स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल शिक्षा सखा पर। आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ क्लास 4 की इंग्लिश की माई बुक ऑफ इंग्लिश का लेसन 12। लेसन का नाम है हार्ट नो लिविंग थिंग। इस वीडियो में हम इस पार्ट को पढ़ेंगे, इसका हिंदी ट्रांसलेट, क्वेश्चन आंसर और ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे। पिछली वीडियो में मैंने आपको लेसन 11 सेविंग ट्रीज पार्ट को पढ़ाया था, उसका हिंदी ट्रांसलेट, क्वेश्चन आंसर और ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन आंसर करवाए थे। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं और अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को ज़रूर दबाएं। मैंने अपने चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में सब्जेक्ट वाइज लिस्ट डाली हुई है। आप जिस भी सब्जेक्ट के लेसन को देखना चाहते हैं मेरे चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में जाकर उसे देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए पार्ट की शुरुआत करते हैं। लेसन 12 हार्ट नो लिविंग थिंग। सबसे पहले हम प्री रीडिंग करेंगे। क्वेश्चन दिए हुए हैं यहाँ पर। पहला क्वेश्चन, हैव यू एवर विजिटेड ए जू? यस। सेकंड क्वेश्चन, हैव यू एवर सीन एनीबॉडी टीजिंग और हर्टिंग एनिमल्स? यस, आई हैव सीन स्नेक चार्म्स प्लेइंग ए बीन। तीसरा, हाउ डू यू फील इफ समवन हर्ट्स यू? आंसर, यू मे फील एंग्री एंड सैड। अब हम इस पार्ट की रीडिंग करेंगे। हर्ट नो लिविंग थिंग्स, लेडी बर्ड नोर बटरफ्लाई नोर मोथ विज डस्टी विंग नोर क्रिकेट चीपिंग cheerily nor grasshopper so light of leap, nor dancing gnat, nor battle fat, nor harmless worms that trip. Christina Rossetti. Word meaning, hurt, case pain, दर्द देना, dusty, full of dust, धूल भरा, cheerily, happily, खुशी से, leap, jump, उछलना। अब हम इस पार्ट की हिंदी पढ़ेंगे। किसी जीवित वस्तु को चोट न पहुँचे, किसी भी जीवित वस्तु को नुकसान न पहुँचे, न भिंडी, न तितली, न धूल भरे पंख वाला पतंगा, न प्रसन्नतापूर्वक चहचहाता झींगुर, न हल्की छलांग लगाने वाले टिड्डे, न नाचते हुए मच्छर, न मोटे भृंग, न रेंगने वाले हानि रहित कीड़े। क्रिस्टीना रोसेट्टी। Comprehension. Number 1. Read the following statements and write T if they are true and F if false. Number 1. Moth has colorful wings. True. Second. Crickets sing in a cheerful way. True. Grasshopper can jump high in the air. False. 4. We should not hurt any living things. True. Number 2. Answer the following questions. पहला क्वेश्चन है, What does the poet ask us not to do? इसका आंसर है, The poet asks us not to hurt any living things. Question 2. What quality of cricket is highlighted in the poem? Answer, the quality of cricket is highlighted in the poem is that it has cheerful voice. Question 3. What do you think is the color of the wing of the moth? Answer, the color of wing of the moth is dusty type which the poet suggests in this poem. Question 4. What is the poet trying to suggest in the poem? Answer, the poet trying to suggest that each of us or anyone living in this world should be living peaceful. No one should hurt any other. Vocabulary 1. Pick out opposite of the following words from the poem and write them. Harmful, harmless, sadly, happily. आगे है then, thin, fat, dead, alive, heavy, light, bright, dark. आगे सेकंड, harmless is a describing word. In the word less, suffix has been added to the word harm. We can also add the suffix full of to make the word harmful. Notice that the words harmless and harmful are opposite words. Here are a few more words ending in less and full: careless and cheerful, useless and useful, hopeless and hopeful. Write at least 5 more words that take less and full as suffix, जैसे कि useless, beautiful, useful, worthless, wonderful. Third, fill in the blanks by choosing appropriate word from the box: beautiful, useless, careless, careful, and thankful. Number 1. My mother is always careful. She crosses the road at the zebra crossing. Number 2. They are very thankful for all the help they have got. Number 3. The rainbow after the rain yesterday was beautiful. Number 4. My brother dropped his mobile phone into the bathtub and now it is useless. Number 5. Our maid was careless. She broke our dinner set. Number 4. Dusty in dusty wing is a describing word in which suffix y has been added to the noun dust. Add y to each of the following nouns or to form the adjective and use them in your own sentences. One has been done for you. नाउन बताने हैं, एडजेक्टिव बताने हैं और सेंटेंस. जैसे कि रेन का एडजेक्टिव बनेगा रेनी, सेंटेंस बनेगा आई ऑलवेज एंजॉय ए रेनी डे. अगला है क्लाउड, इसका बनेगा क्लाउडली, सेंटेंस इट्स क्लाउडली नाउ. थर्ड, डर्ट का बनेगा डर्टी, डू नॉट वियर डर्टी क्लॉथ्स. एयर, एरियल व्यू इन नाइस. शाइन का बनेगा शाइनी, द ज्वेलरी इज शाइनी ऑल टाइम. स्टॉर्म, स्टॉर्मी अकॉर्डिंग टू वेदर डिपार्टमेंट. यस्टर will be stormy weather. Pick out the harmful and harmful less and harmful things from the following living things and write them in the appropriate columns: frog, mosquito, housefly, grasshopper, butterfly, rat, scorpion, rabbit. इसमें जो हार्मफुल है वो है मॉस्किटो, रैट एंड स्कॉर्पियन, और हार्मलेस है फ्रॉग, हाउस फ्लाई, बटरफ्लाई, रैबिट एंड ग्रासहॉपर. आगे है ग्रामर. नंबर 1. रीड द फॉलोइंग लाइन फ्रॉम द पोएम. नॉट cricket chirping cheerily. Here cheerily describes how cricket chirps action verb. It describes the manner of chirping by cricket. It is thus an adverb of manner. It tells how the action is done. It is generally formed by adding ly to any adjective quickly, slowly, but when the adjective ends in y as in cheery, we need to replace the final letter y with I before adding ly, cheerily and merrily. Here are some examples where the adjective ends in the letter y. Merry plus ly, merrily. Lucky plus ly, luckily. If an adjective ends in le, replace the e with y. Gentle becomes gently, treble becomes trebly. Now add ly to the words in the brackets and complete the sentences. Number 1. Read your lesson silently. Number 2. We heard the news happily. Number 3. Ritu sang sweetly. 4. The baby is crying loudly. 5. He did his work properly. 6. He fought bravely. Second, in the paras, living things, living is an adjective. It tells us that the things are alive and not dead. Similarly, in the barking dogs, barking is an adjective. Now think of we plus ing type of adjective that modify the following nouns. Pick out the appropriate v plus ing given in the box and write it before the particular word given below. Drinking, writing, shining, dining, frying, swimming, flowing, racing, saving, walking, jumping, bathing, washing, dancing, burning. Dining table, shining stars, drinking water, frying pan, dancing frog, swimming suit, writing pad, burning candle. इसी तरह following river, walking stick, bathing shop, washing machine, jumping doll, racing car, saving account. Listening and speaking. Number 1. Speaking aloud the following pair of words: heard, burn, curd, firm, bird, hurt. Think of some more such pair of words and speak them aloud. Second, work in pairs and role play the following conversation between Ramesh and Kusum. Ramesh: Kusum, I hear a strange crying sound. Kusum: so do I. Ramesh: I feel the sound is perhaps coming from that side. Let's go and see. Kusum: if we go there, we would get late for school. Ramesh: don't worry, it looks someone needs help, we must help. Kusum: all right, let's rush there. They rushed in that direction and find that a chicken laying on the ground and crying. Ramesh: perhaps it has fallen from its nest. Kusum: let us put it back to its nest quickly, otherwise it may die. Then they put the chick in its nest and feel happy. Third, let us recite a poem describing the movements of various living things. Frogs jump, caterpillars hump, worm wiggle, bug jiggle, rabbits hop, horses clop, snakes slide, seagulls glide, mice chirp, deer leap, puppies bounce, kitten pounce, loins talk, but I walk. Writing. Number 1. Imagine that you plan to visit a zoo next week. Write a paragraph describing your plan. You may include the following information: what time you will go, how you will go, with whom you will go there, what you will carry with you, what you will do there, how long you will stay there. Answer. I have a plan to visit a zoo in next week after summer vacation. I will go there by bus. I will go there with my family. I will carry my camera as well as my small bag also. I will go everywhere in the zoo. I will stay whole in the zoo there. Look at the placard expressing love from animals. Love us, don't hurt us. Live and let live. Now make a placard against currently to animals and bird. हमें इसी तरह से और भी कार्ड बनाने हैं. आगे फॉलो अप. Look at the picture of Sultanpur National Park in Gurugram district. Visit this national park or any other bird country in your state and make a list of birds that you see there. यहाँ पर मैंने नाम लिखे हैं: ग्रेटर फ्लेमिंगो, ब्लैक नेक्ड स्ट्रॉक, यूरेशियन स्पूनबिल एंड नॉर्दर्न पिनटेल. अब हम इसका असेसमेंट करेंगे 10 से लेकर 12 पार्ट के. तो यहाँ क्वेश्चन आंसर दिए गए हैं. क्वेश्चन है: वेयर डिड अनारो लिव. आंसर लिखेंगे: अनारो लिव्स इन ए माउंटेन विलेज इन गढ़वाल हिमालयाज. बी. ट्रीज गिव्स अस फ्रेश एयर, शैडो, फ्रूट्स एंड वुड. सी. द विलेज वुमेन सिंग चिपकू हग द ट्रीज एंड स्टॉप मैन फ्रॉम कटिंग डाउन ट्रीज. डी. क्वेश्चन का आंसर है: द क्वाइटली ऑफ क्रिकेट इज हाईलाइटेड इन द पोएम इज दैट इट हैज चीयरफुल वॉइस. क्वेश्चन ई का आंसर है: द पोइट आस्क अस नॉट टू हर्ट एनी लिविंग थिंग्स. क्वेश्चन एफ का आंसर है: द कलर ऑफ द विंग्स ऑफ द मोथ इज डस्टी टाइप विच द पोइट सजेस्ट इन दिस पोएम. जी. रोहन डॉक्टर मारिया टीचर। आगे है क्वेश्चन 2, कंप्लीट द पैसेज बाय यूजिंग एप्रोप्रिएट वर्ड्स गिवन इन द बॉक्स। कॉम्ब, टूथपेस्ट, सोप, towel, teeth, uniform, oil and toothbrush. I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth with toothbrush and toothpaste. Then I take my bath by applying soap on my body. I always use a clean towel to soak my body. After this, I apply some oil in my hair and brush with a comb. Then I wear my school uniform and get ready for school. Number 3. Rearrange the words in each row to make meaningful sentence. A का बनेगा children are playing in the park. B का बनेगा flowers gives a sweet smell. C का बनेगा the cow was there in a field. D का बनेगा peacock is a beautiful bird. E का बनेगा I read a newspaper daily. Number 4. Write a paragraph on uses of trees. You may include the following points. Brings rain, give out oxygen, give shade, make air fresh, give wood. इसका आंसर हम लिखेंगे Trees are very necessary for the living organism as it provides important oxygen to them. Trees gave us fresh air, trees gave us fruit, flower and shelter also. The wood from trees are used for making the different like table, chair, etc. Number 5. Complete the following sentences with the most appropriate adverb from the box. Easily, brightly, carelessly, loudly, silently. A. The sun is shining brightly. B. He put the vase carelessly on the table. It fell on the floor. C. Read your lesson loudly. D. The sum is very easy. You can solve it easily. E. The children love to sing silently. अब हम इसके ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे. क्वेश्चन 1. हाउ शुड वी बिहेव विद लिविंग थिंग्स? ए. टीजिंग देम. बी. हर्टिंग देम. सी. नॉट हर्टिंग देम. इसका सही आंसर है सी. Question 2. Which creature had colorful wings? A parrot, B. butterfly, C. sparrow, D. crow. इसका सही आंसर है B. butterfly. Question 3. If opposite word of heavy is light, then opposite word of thin is A. small, B. tall, C. heavy, D. fat. इसका सही आंसर है D. fat. Question 4. Opposite word of sadly is A. badly, B. kindly, C. cheerily, D. nicely. इसका सही आंसर है C. Question 6. What is opposite of word dead is? A. live, B. deadly, C. lifeless, D. life. इसका सही आंसर है A. live. Question 7. Who is the poet of Heart No Living Things? A. Christina Rossetti, B. William Shakespeare, C. John Keats, D. Mary Daunt. इसका सही आंसर है A. Question 8. What is the adjective of air? A. air conditioner, B. air cooler, C. airy, D. air pollution. इसका सही आंसर है C. Question 9. Find out the harmful creature from the following. A. scorpion, B. housefly, C. butterfly, D. rat. इसका सही आंसर है B. housefly. Question 11. Make an appropriate combination by adding one of the following words before table. A. swimming, B. dining, C. flying, D. saving. इसका सही आंसर है B. डाइनिंग। Question 12. Make an appropriate combination by adding one of following words before table. A racing, B walking, C burning, D swimming. इसका सही आंसर है C. Question 13. What does frog do? A hump, B jiggle, C hop, D jump. इसका सही आंसर है D jump. Question 14. What does a caterpillar do? A hump, B jiggle, C hop, D jump. इसका सही आंसर है hump. Question 15. What does a worm do? A hop, B jiggle, C wiggle, D leap. इसका सही आंसर है C wiggle. Question 16. What does a mite do? A leap, B creep, C walk, D pounce. इसका सही आंसर है B creep. Question 17. What does a seagull do? A chirp, B leap, C glide, D slide. इसका सही आंसर है C. Question 18. What does a horse do? A trip, B leap, C clop, D slide. इसका सही आंसर है clop. Question 19. What does a puppy do? A pounce, B slide, C glide, D bounce. इसका सही आंसर है Question 20. How does a human being move? A wiggle, B jiggle, C stalk, D walk. इसका सही आंसर है तो यहाँ पर हमारी ये वीडियो समाप्त होती है। अगली वीडियो में मैं आपको लेसन 13 ट्रैवलिंग पार्ट को पढ़ाऊँगी। उसके क्वेश्चन आंसर, हिंदी ट्रांसलेट और ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन आंसर करवाऊँगी। आपको मेरी ये वीडियो कैसी लगी मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं। वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू।